Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. So in the previous video we explored the product categories as well as product crude separation, and we improved them a little bit, and as well as we explored like how is each of that this working. And now we can view this and we can do all steps required for this. So now we are going to move on to the orders, and let's see what is happening in the order crude operation that we have in here. So I'm going to go to orders all. Okay, so we don't have any order, so let's create our first order. Okay, so here we have the date, and then we can select a customer. This seems to be seeded. Do we have a customer list in here? Yeah, we do have users, so this seems to be the customers. Let's check this out. I'm going to compare this with the users list. This seems to be different than the one we have in here on orders, but let's see how we can create a customer, since it is right here, right? And then we have reference is order, and then we have the product list here. And my question is, where can we add customers, or is it coming from somewhere else? We have customers right here, pages, pages customers. So one thing I can ask question about in this inventory management system is the pages. You can see here we have the users, categories, and units. So why are they right here? Categories should be here, so that whenever I am on the products crude, it should be easy for me to like create new categories and then do stuff like that. When I'm on the orders page, I should be able to add more customers easily, right? Because this is like related to each other. But let's see, we have the customers list, and it has a pagination, and I think this seems to be a complete crude operation. And let's check out how we can add a customer, and is there something that can be improved in it. Okay, so just like here we have okay, so first thing first, it says product image while we are on the customer page, right? So let's use fact filler to create one customer. Bank detail, bank name. Okay, bank name. Okay, these are the bank names, and then we have the phone number, account holder, and account number. Seems like, I hope this might have some validation on the account number, like account digits should be within 13, with the length of 13th. And then we have address, and let's choose an image. Okay, so let's create one, and also I'm going to change this to customer image. So let's go to web.php. I'm going to search for customers, and it's using resource controllers. I'm going to go to create, and here we will find that it says product image. We will change this to customer image, and we are redirected here, which means we have created that user. We use the pack filler, so we don't know what we provided in there, but let's edit one and see what we can do. Also, we might add something like created it, so we can see when a user was created. So let's add that one as well. It's not a big deal, we can add it quickly. Here I am on the create.blade.php. I'm going to go to index, and here it's using the customer dash table. Seems this to be a livewire component. And here we have spinner, and after email I want to add created it. So email is created it, field name is created it, and sort by created it. And after that, after email, we are going to use the created it and email of created it. And for now, we can use different formats. I'm thinking of using the diff for human, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so here we are on the edit page. Okay, so let's change the name, and then let's add an image, and let's update this user. And also we are going to check this thing as well, the created it that we added. Okay, we got an error. Diff for humans does not exist. Diff for humans. Okay, so now we have the dates permits, and this is the user that we added recently using the fact filler, and you can see the ID is also different. Okay, so now I think we should be able to delete a user as well. and without confirmation. So that is something that we can improve by using the confirmation. I'm going to copy the code that we added for this. So I'm going to copy this thing and put it here on this button, delete button. And whenever a user wants to delete an like admins want to delete a user, it should ask for confirmation. So let's say I want to delete this, and you can see I can cancel it and user will not be deleted. Then we have the view page. So let's see what's inside here. Okay, so on the view page, we have the basic information about this customer, name, email, and those information. And I think later on we will add the total orders by this user, like the total product that this user has bought so far, and something like that. And that is all the customers page. And there was not like much things to improve, I guess. There can be, but I think it's looking great, and that's it. And after that, we have suppliers as well. So let's see what's inside. We were checking the orders, but still, let's see what's inside the suppliers, since we are checking these pages. And I'm thinking about improving this later on, like in the upcoming videos as well. But for now, let's keep exploring the suppliers. We can create a supplier, and whenever creating a supplier, we will have to fill this information, and we are going to use the pack pillar to create these. And let's add an image as well. And we have address, holder name, and then wholesale or distributor. So let's say wholesale, this is the bank. One thing we can do is add these dynamic. I don't know, is it dynamic right now or it's static, but that is also something that can be made dynamic. But for now we are just exploring this. And let's see. Okay, so we are redirected here, which means we created one supplier. But the thing is, we are not able to identify that because we do not have the date formats. So I'm going to go to suppliers, supplier dash table, and here I'm going to add the created it after the type. So I'm going to duplicate this and add created it. And then right here, we are going to use the created it. And let's see how it looks like. And again, we do not have confirmation on delete, so we are going to paste it right here as well, like this. And let's check this out. Okay, so now it's looking like that, but I don't like this. It's using badge. Okay, so we don't need to use badge. Text is white. No, it shouldn't be white. Let's remove all those classes, we don't need them. And now you can see we are able to view that. But I think it should be like latest, like the one we added. Is it in the last, or is it here at the first, or is it okay? So the one we added is right here 3 minutes ago. We added this wholesale supplier. And if we want, we can delete it, and now we can view it as well. And on view we do not have much things, only the basic details like the other pages. But I think we can add like how many product this user have supplied to us. Is it wholesale or is it a distributor? How many items we have interacted with this? So also we don't have the back button. Interesting. But we have the close button. I think it's gonna allow us to go back. And that is all about the suppliers crude. And we can go back to the orders. And again, we do not have any orders, so I think we talked too much for this video. That is all for this video. I will see you in the next one, where we will keep exploring this orders crude operations, and we will learn how this works and what can be improved in it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.